Alright, so my partner in crime, Mr. Winters, has left me hanging today. Thanks a lot, Winters. So it's just me. First day of Unit 3 on polynomials. I'm going to introduce graphing polynomials. So here's some key terms. Today we're going to focus on what it means to be a degree, how to find it. It's really easy, just the greatest exponent among all of the terms in the polynomial. We're going to show you how to find turning points on the calculator, and then here we go. So first off, talking about the degrees, if your polynomial was 5, it would be a degree of 0, since the exponent of the variable x is 0, and this is a constant. It's just a linear equation if it were y equals 5. Second example is a polynomial with a first degree, since the exponent here is 1, and that is a linear equation again. Third example, we've got degree of 2, largest exponent 2, it's a quadratic. And then we've got degree of 3, largest exponent 3. Keep in mind, it's not always going to be on the left. The largest exponent possibly could be out here, so just look out for that. This is a cubic. Right here we've got a 4th degree. So the largest exponent is 4. It's a quartic. Last one, 5th degree, quintic. Largest exponent is a 5. Okay. Number of terms isn't that important. That's kind of common sense. But then the name of these, for instance, here is a monomial, 1 term, binomial, 2 terms, trinomial, 3 terms, so on and so forth. Okay, so here's our deal on how to graph these polynomials. If you watch the bottom left, this is a GIF image that we recorded on our calculator. Takes you through the steps. You're just typing it into y equals, and then we'll show you on the calculator how to find these turning points. And it's no different than finding a maximum or a minimum if you already know how to do that. And then in order to graph, we of course want to look at the table. So this is an image of the table from the calculator, and you can go ahead and plot those points so that you have that graph by hand. Here's how to actually find that maximum and minimum. First, we'll find the minimum. If it says left bound, click to the left. If it says right bound, click to the right. And then guess really just means put the cursor as close as you can to that intersection. And we do this by hitting second trace, maximum or minimum. 1.99995 is to 2,1, so we got a relative minimum at 2,1. And then finding the maximum, we hit second trace, and then 4, which is the maximum. Move that cursor to the left of the relative maximum, hit enter. Move that cursor to the right. If it says right bound of the maximum, hit enter. And then when it says guess, again, just place it as close as you can to that maximum. And you see here, relative maximum at 0.5. And again, this is scientific notation, so we can accept that as 0. So 0.5 is a relative maximum. Okay? And that's it. So if you have any questions, just bring them to class. And then other than that, you can feel free to watch this video again to follow all these steps on the calculator. But if you know how to find a maximum, you know how to find this. See you.